SP Tools 234-piece metric-only toolkit in Custom Series toolbox. Custom Series is SP Tools' mid-size storage system. The box is 668mm wide and 445mm in depth. It features a combination of 8 drawers in 160mm or 570mm width. The tool chest lid is equipped with heavy-duty dual gas struts and a full-length piano hinge joint. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kg per pair. The side of the box is equipped with easy grip chrome plated handles. The tool chest features high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat finish. The roller cab is 680mm wide and 460mm in depth. It features 7 drawers with varying depth configuration. The roller cabinet features a steel worktop with a corrugated rubber cover. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kg per pair. On larger drawers with dual slides, this increases to 80 kg. The side of the box is equipped with an easy grip handle which can be fitted on either end to suit any workspace. The roller cabinet features 4 heavy duty casters, 2 fixed and 2 swivel. The swivel casters have an easy one-touch brake, hold and release. The roller cabinet features high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat finish. The tools. SP Tools 88-piece metric socket and accessory set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive metric sockets 4 to 13mm, quarter drive metric deep sockets 4 to 13mm, 3/8 drive metric sockets 6 to 22mm, 3/8 drive metric deep sockets 10 to 19mm, 1/2 inch drive metric sockets 10 to 32mm, 3/8 drive spark plug socket 16 and 21mm, 1/2 inch drive spark plug socket 16 and 21mm. It also features a quarter, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive soft grip 45 tooth ratchets, quarter, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive soft grip breaker bars, quarter, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive wobble extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. The kit also includes SP Tools 23-piece metric spanner set in EVA foam. This includes quad drive combination spanners 6 to 24mm and flare nut spanners 10 through to 22mm. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 12-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length. All screwdrivers features SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools 6-piece precision screwdriver set with 3 Phillips head screwdrivers and 3 standard blade screwdrivers. SP Tools chrome alloy pliers and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points. These include a 200mm diagonal cutter with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose plier with dual texture grip, and 200mm combination plier with dual texture grip. A 250mm 3 rivet heavy duty locking plier that features chrome alloy jaws, a 250mm heavy duty multi-grip plier made from chrome alloy steel, and both 150 and 250mm adjustable wrenches made from chrome alloy steel. 4-piece circlip plier set made from chrome alloy steel. These include 175mm straight and bent internal circlip pliers and 175mm straight and bent external circlip pliers. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy 9-piece hex and Torx key sets, 3 sets, 9-piece metric, 1.5 to 10mm, 9-piece SAE, 1/16 to 3/8, 9-piece Torx T10 to T50, 10-piece chrome moly punch and chisel set with pin punch sizes 2 through to 10mm, a 16-ounce and 24-ounce ball peen hammer with genuine hickory handles from a certified FSC timber source, 40mm dual soft hard tip hammer with additional shot field head for dead blow function. A 31-piece bit set including a quarter drive low profile mini ratchet, metric hex bits 1.5 to 7mm, SAE hex bits 1/16 to 1/4 and Torx bits T8 to T45. The kit also includes an 8-metre retractable tape measure, a handy SP Tools all-purpose utility knife, a 4-piece mini hook and pick set, a 4-piece Mechanics tweezer set, a 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set, and a 300mm professional quality hacksaw.